Then also I brought a little black garlic pesto.
Really? Let's talk about that.
So black garlic is a really cool ingredient. It's an Asian staple that now a company in California is making themselves. And it's just garlic that's fermented at a very particular temperature and humidity for about 3 months. And what you get is these black cloves that are just really unique. They kind of like have this flavor similar to molasses or balsamic.
Yeah, really deep.
Really unique.
And they're tangy a little bit too, right?
I mean, it's definitely. It's kind of like roasted garlic.
Yeah.
Taken to a new level. I mean, you get these beautiful black cloves. So we just made a pesto very easily, kind of like a traditional pesto with pine nuts, parmesan.
Any herbs?
The black garlic. No herbs.
Okay.
A little truffle, and then olive oil, and that's this right here. And it's just it's a great way to add a really deep flavor to sauces or, you know, risottos, anything like that. You kind of throw in a pasta.
Beautiful color too.
Yeah. So we'll just kind of we'll make a little quick sauce with that to go with the arancini.
Great.
And this is just a little homemade mayonnaise that I made. Basic mayonnaise. You can use a good store-bought mayonnaise.
Sure.
You can make your own.
Love the color on that though.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
So,
and this is an appetizer?
Yep. This would be an appetizer.
Okay.
You know, it's great for like a party. It's just pretty easy to prepare.
It's great because you can get the arancini really, you know, made ahead of time.
Yeah, the day of, you fry them to order, and it's, you know, it's really simple. Again, with the black garlic and the mushrooms, balsamic goes really great with it. It's the same kind of flavor. We're just got a little balsamic to this.
Nice. Nice little pop of acidity.
Yeah.
A little sweetness too. Love the aged stuff. You see how thick it is. And again, it's the molassy kind of quality that the black garlic has. Love that color. It's like chocolate.